Good morning, guys. I made so much money yesterday. Let's go. I'm listening to some Anri, A-N-R-I, with Last Summer Whisper. It's just how we start out every morning, and I'm loving it. Like, it's just imbuing me with such happiness. It's great. Over here, that's where we saw the hares yesterday. Look at this shit, man. I got so much I had to take one of these trolleys. Oh, let's get started. Check it out, 124 plus the 42 from yesterday. Let's go. Feel like I need some protein, man. That boy needs some meal. So I got this one. It's also ice cold and delicious. Only 15 krona. I got 151 in return. I got a little more than 200 krona right now. Hey, getting rich. Check it out. There's an outdoor kammermarket. Or like a farmer's market, seller's market. I don't know. It's like used old stuff that people are selling. It's nice. It avoids a lot of waste, you know? I'm not necessarily particularly interested in carrying more things. But it's interesting. Look at these old chests. They're pretty. Oh. The others didn't eat their beef yesterday, so I'm cooking up some beef and eggs for breakfast. It's gonna be good. Oh, look at that. Oh shit. Here we go. I just finished doing this thing right here. First you gotta apply some heat and rub around the eye. I kinda included these two steps in one. I spent like 15 minutes per eye basically. And then afterwards I used one of these special eye cleaning thingies I got from the doctor to clean it off. Hopefully I can work on it. I feel like it is getting a little smaller, if only ever so slightly. It's not protruding as much. And the other eye, I don't know. It's gonna take a while though. I'm just gonna do it every day. I got tears in my eyes. I just finished listening to an audiobook of The Dandelion Girl by Robert F. Young, read by Leslie Gideon on YouTube. Amazing. Amazing short story. It also happens to take place in September, which we're in right now. I've wanted to re-listen to that story or reread. I read it the first time years ago in college, I believe. Yeah, it was that teacher Lars Kjellstrup who introduced me to it. The same guy who showed me The Country of the Blind or The Village of the Blind, whatever it's called. Bunch of other amazing stuff. What a beautiful story. For me, the ultimate type of romance is self-sacrifice on the part of the woman. You know, we always think of men having to be the ones who sacrifice. But love is a lot more beautiful when women also do. I feel like a man outside of my time, especially in light of stories like this. Of course, I can't help but relate myself to the male protagonist. Maybe I'm more so a kind of dandelion boy. I mean, I don't have a time machine, but well, maybe I do. I'm still kind of emotional after listening to the Dandelion Girl. What a powerful story about female love and dedication and self-sacrifice and doubt and fear on the woman's part, that is. It's not that I think men should be passive. I don't think that's gonna be conducive to romantic success in 2025. But it sure works out a lot better that way, right? Women know what they want. They're just gonna pick one. And guys, they're pretty open for the most part, right? Yeah, I'm just going to pick up my bicycle. I let the friend who owns Loud Friend's apartment. What are we gonna call him? I don't know, I'll figure it out. But yeah, I let him borrow my bicycle. And now I'm gonna go pick it up so I can go get some more money on bottles. Let's do it. Look, Mom, no hands. Okay, I had to do a double take. I just pulled this out of this trash over here. Okay, check this out. So, alright. And then I look, and that is a fucking wild spot to be camping, buddy. What? Like, what? That's crazy, brother. Oh, more trash. Let's get it. Make some money. Not a lot of pen today. I think there's other collectors out today because of some event by the harbor. Like, basically the whole town is drained. I went everywhere. I'm even going to downtown right now just to check. But yeah, it's kind of over, honestly. Guess I'm just gonna hand this in and wait another 4 or 5 hours. Beautiful day though. Look at this. Alright guys, I'm ready to accept defeat. I've been through everything. It's been drained, guys. The whole city's been drained. Someone just went on a run, I swear. Not more than an hour ago, okay? But hey, fuck it. Look, this is Denmark, man. Just leaving your car like that, right? Shit, man. I only made 17 and a half. But hey, other times I make a lot, right? There's gotta be bad days. I just did not expect it on a weekend day. But hey, we'll just make up for it in a few hours, right? Like 4 or 5 hours, I'm just gonna do another round. But this time I won't do the whole city. Now that I've already seen that people are patrolling today, I'm just gonna do the train station and down by the harbor and of course Circle K. Hey. And tomorrow we're going back to Kikistad. Some of our packages have arrived. Kiki ordered clothes for her and Jason, and of course I ordered the components you know about. It's gonna be amazing, man. I can't wait for them all to arrive so I can start working on it. Oh yeah, actually, that's why I'm out here collecting bottles like a madman, because I'm trying to save up enough money so that I can send that money to my mom so that she, down in Portugal, can send me my tools for building electrical shit. I got like very expensive tools and a lot of them. Well, they're not very expensive, but cumulatively they are, and having to reinvest in those to build this is just not feasible, right? So yeah, I'm just trying to get like 600 to 800 together for that. Once that's taken care of, I'm gonna order the final 200 kronas worth of components, and then we're Gucci. Yeah, then I just need to save up for shoes after that, I think. Because these, oh my god, never again, not in the rain. I'm going to buy some soda for the food. It's my one thing I like wasting money on. Otherwise, I think I'm pretty good with like only buying the essentials, right? You can't quite say soda is an essential. I already got sugar for my tea, right? But yeah,
wants some soda for the food, and they also wanted me to buy some cigarettes for him, so I'm gonna do it.
What was it? Look at this. Someone threw out their silver medal, I guess. Yeah, silver medal in wrestling. Interesting find. I don't know what to do. Let's put it here. Making it. There was more beef left, so I made some more patties. Gonna heat the sauce up, pour it over the rice, and heat the patties. I'm calorie maxing.